How to use Wise Card with Apple Pay. For general information on Apple Pay, visit Apple Pay support. So can you add Wise Card to Apple Pay? If your card was issued in Australia, Brazil, Canada, and European countries where it's supported, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, the US, or the UK, you can add your card to Apple Pay. At the moment, Wise Card issued in Japan do not work with Apple Pay. We're working to change that. To add your Wise Card to Apple Pay via the Wise app, open the Wise app, tap on the Card tab where you can see all your available cards. Select the card you'd like to add, then tap on Add to Apple Pay. You can also add your card using your Apple Pay Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Open your Apple Wallet, either scan your card or enter the details manually. Verify the card with an SMS code. After you add your card to Apple Pay, you might see a small charge on your account. This is just to check that your card works and it will be refunded back soon. What are the limits for paying with Apple Pay? Transactions made with Apple Pay count towards the contactless limits if your card was issued in the US, and towards the chip and PIN limit if it was issued in Australia, Singapore, New Zealand, or European